setting the final house wall right there. Mr. Tom here.
Half-ass level up these holes that I dug for them to place these.
Yeah, that's minimal. That
front paved there.
yeah, I didn't see the front
actually,
yet,
this
but
corner I shoveled a hell of a lot out of that corner. I was thinking that's why at the end of the day we'll run some stone around, but I won't reach to dump this stuff with my skid loader.
yeah.
I mean, over here I'm not too worried about. I'm just worried about covering the pipe.
Yep. This is our footer drain. Wanted to daylight that, but I can't because then we can't drive across our trench. Same way over there. I'll let you set that up.
The spot would be for me to shoot that threshold of that door. That I think could be
out here, I guess.
Yeah. Right.
Back the trailer in and have a nice stone driveway. Of course he couldn't use it and had to go in the edge of the field. Now he's stuck. I don't know why we put a driveway and we ain't using it anyway. There, but the crane can reach. You can't help stupid, you know what I mean? That's just it, bottom line. I wouldn't even back my tracks on there. I ain't gonna make it either. No chain? You didn't ever think you'd get stuck in the next 20 years? Don't carry chain?
Nope.
You got a piece of baler twine?
I don't have anything but a strap. I don't know if Jeff does or not.
Well, we need something. Let's see here.
Had it from before. With being an automatic, it just freaking bogged down.
I would have brought it in the driveway, me personally, but
well,
you know, after it rained all day, there's no way it's gonna work. I would rather just pull you back and get you in, but we need a chain. Anybody got a chain? You have a chain? The crane have a chain. No chain. Hey Tommy, you have a chain? I got like 8 of them in the triaxle trailer. Tommy, you have a chain? Yeah, that's that 5/16. I'll probably break it. That brother, ain't no way. I'm gonna break Tommy's chain. I'd rather break theirs. I'd rather break theirs than your strap. I got 8 chains in the trailer, but it ain't here because we're always getting stuck. I'm really surprised they don't have a chain on that rig. This is all I need right in the front of his truck. There we go.
Let me get the bleeding.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you. That's what happens with them, but they are handy though, ain't they? I'm trying to think where my good.
We can just eyeball it in, right?
If you're happy with it, you got a paint mark there. Does that mean anything?
Yeah. I'll double check the left or right. not set flat.
Yes, sir.
It's right on.
Got the beam pockets. Runs a beam, some lolly columns.
Check that one, we'll be ready.
Yes, I didn't get there yet, but I will. You got that one then?
I just wouldn't shovel any stone into that because that's where that big one's going to go.
Looks like you're walking a little bit.
Is that one on now ready?
That one's ready.
Actually, I got to excavate in 2 of them yet.
Something. What are you setting, Tom? See how this works out. This is life as it happens. Steve, ready? Good enough? Good enough?
We'll probably have to get closer somehow yet.
You want me to go a little further?
They'll probably have to get the whole way up to it to get them front mounts.
Okay. All right, there it is. These guys will keep unloading or setting these panels down in the woodshed area, and There it is, brother.
Easy peasy.
Western Star automatic. What a shame. I guess for some guys they like it. I don't like automatics. I'd rather be shifting. I drive an automatic, next thing you know I'm sleeping. Got to keep my arm moving.
Shade tree, I like plants to grow in the shade.
Check the top. Let me look. Yeah.
Setting the woodshed walls there. This guy should be done today. As far as setting the building is concerned.
See it coming. I mean, it's trying to do it and everything pretty fast. Bring them out, drop them, load them.
Yeah, I guess it has its place.
Throw one on the very end, Tom. Yeah, there's 6 here. Let's do the 2 on the very end. Up the rank.
I think they were calling for anything. Saturday, they were saying.
Yeah, one section at a time, huh?
Yeah. The ones I seen, we were up in the mountains that time. They had treated wood in instead of the.
He's got the metal studs, yeah.
Instead of the metal stuff.
I think you got some options when you order that.
Right. I guess you can get whatever you prefer. Because they poured, when they poured the basement, they poured it into the cabin.
Yeah, this is ones I've seen was Superior. It was called Superior walls.
Yep.
Same principle, I guess, just a different,
They were a little less. They're a little different.
a little bit.
Yeah. I think Superior, them metal studs are turned flat all the way in against. These guys have way higher arbor. I mean, Superior offered it for that big upgrade of price. for
I
these
see.
guys. I wasn't shooting just for that, but in the end, the price was better. The whole thing. They do whole houses. You just bring it out and slap them up. That's the way everything falls.
They got those. You ever see the styrofoam forms they stack up and just pour mud in the middle? Yeah, you still got to dig a hole.
Of all of them are.
Are they?
Yeah, but they're maybe the best going.
I don't know what you call them.
ICFs.
There it is.
That's what they did over there at that panel. Yeah.
Pushing that whole back wall. Too low.
Stud laying right there in front of you.
This one.
In front of you. The stud on the ground.
Stud. One or two?
Just one of them.
You ready?
Thank you.
You got it. I was thinking that 2x4 you wanted.
Well, at least you didn't think it was you.
Pretty amazing. One piece at a time, huh?
Yeah.
You guys busy with this stuff? I mean, it's just one after the other.
Yeah, where we're at right now it is.
Springtime probably
Yeah.
gets you moving, I'm sure.
Everybody wants them all at once.
Yeah, that's how it goes. Anyway, I'm trying to bore y'all, but I hope you find it fascinating. I'm going to be pulling out of here today. Going to Bucks County. Tom's going to start framing. He'll bring our lull over. A set of steel beams. He's going to start framing the deck. Get the concrete floor in. He thinks I'll be back in a week. I don't know. I think it'll be a little longer than that. We get a day or two of rain that's going to mess things up, but we'll see. Anyway, there's plenty to do here when we get back. Start backfilling these foundation walls. We got a pipe to put in the basin here all the way up through, up to the pole barn. These sewer line dug out, the footer drains to daylighted, all kinds of stuff going on. Get things to grade. We finish this basin berm, tuck all this in against the foundation, start establishing grades basically. And in between, dodging lumber piles and all that fun stuff. Typical new house construction. It's all part of it. all the trades get moving and everybody's in each other's way, but you just make it happen. Some more cutting to do out here. Some retaining wall or something over there. Oh, it just goes on and on, but little by little you'll see it through to the end, and before you know it, it's done. All right, I'm taking this trailer out of here because we're going on our job next week. I'm bringing back a lull, and I've been wanting to do this for a while. I'm just gonna do it. I'll see how Tom reacts. You know me, you gotta have fun. Life's only once, right? So we're taking Tom's sign and we're gonna put ours. And I'm gonna see how long till he calls me. He says, yo, my sign's missing. So let's see how this goes. This might be a big mistake. I mean, he owes me some money here. I hope he don't hold a check, but it's still worth it. I want to see how long till he realizes this. All right, so we put that up. We'll take his sign with us. There it is. He's gonna be this weekend about 10 o'clock at night. He's gonna call me. Hey Marlon, what's up with the sign out front? In here, the low on the back. I guess he's building air pressure. We're gonna give him a little tug here going forward. There he goes. Things are starting to wrap up with the crane. They're going to put this trailer on that trailer and head on out of here.
We need to push out, right?
We need to push.
Good thing we expanded the limit of disturbance.
Yeah, right. Got to back charge them. I got to charge you to rake and seed that now.
Yeah.
You want to go over the lull?
Let me see him. Yeah, I can now.
Well, I mean,
yeah.
I guess
he won't be pulling him out again. He should be all right now.
I think so.
Yeah. Let me grab a drink.
What do you think?
It's all up to you.
What do you mean? Not me.
That's what he told me.
He's
He
kicking
said-
me out of here. He says he needs a week.
Oh,
Needs a week of
relaxation.
throwing a hammer and nails in the lumber.
What are you doing? Loading this on there?
Yeah, well, I got the skid loader loaded. I'm going to Bucks County. I'm gonna go over the Lowell. The mechanic's coming to put the AC compressor in the cat, change the oil in the loader.
What are they
I don't know,
throwing
it's
this
just they're
on
throwing
that?
this on that or that on this, one of the two. It just the world just keeps spinning, you know.
Yep.
These are my cones from the other day, right? Oh. All right.
I don't know. I just had it running. I don't know why it was so low in air.
I'm at the
I
trail.
didn't have the trailer set, but I was sitting there 5 minutes, 10 minutes on the phone.
Yeah, something bled down.
Oh, it was down to like 40 pounds. I'm like,
Yeah, I was like, man, I can't
beeping.
believe I can't press or push this out. That's what it was.
yeah, it was holding.
What are you putting this one on that one, or?
Yeah, we lift this one, I'll back right under, set it down, grab it, and that'll be it. Whatever Tom wants to do as far as cleaning up. I mean, I can roll back and forth.
Yeah,
a
do
couple
that,
times.
please, a couple times.
Yeah.
Maybe when you get out in the long stretch of the driveway, roll a little bit.
Yeah. I can back up through and back and forth.
'Cause you
a
got-
couple times.
Them new tires on there, they're going to collect that mud for sure.
Yeah, and they're closed shoulder tires, which, again, not what I'd have bought.
All right, I'm going to. You carry this, I'll carry the cones.
Well, I was gonna. All right.
That,
Doesn't matter. Whatever.
that's lighter
Just
for
gonna
you.
give you a hand.
Wow. All right. Actually, I'm gonna leave these here.
Put them behind the car.
Good spot. All right, I want to grease this thing up. Probably don't need it. Had it last, but little grease doesn't hurt. Come up like 4 feet if you wanted. Keep coming. So just so you know, the tires are foam filled, so you don't have to worry about anything popping. They're filled with foam, solid.
I don't think I can use a regular brick to shim these steel I-beams. You familiar with this at all? Would a popcorn brick work, or do I need pieces of steel?
I think I've only seen steel on that.
I gotta come up about 4 inches.
But then again, cinder block foundation wall, they're sitting on a concrete block.
Yeah.
You get a solid 4 inch,
I need something block would be better than a brick, I would bet. I'll tweak, you know, and I can tweak them with this. I can reach right in, lift them a little bit.
Anyway, I hope it works for you. Enjoy it.
Yeah, that one, this is clutch. Like I said, until Tuesday, I'll have the joystick with the plywood up here on good.
Yeah, it'll be here for now.
One is coming tomorrow.